Hello everyone, it is Michelle Petway, the DIY professor and owner of Real Estate Systems Training Institute. Wanted to come to you real quick this morning to share something with you. I call myself the DIY professor not only because I love or enjoy doing DIY projects with arts and crafts, but I also love to share information with people about things that you can do on your own that you may be paying somebody else to do. And lately there's been a lot of stirring about these credit repair companies that are supposed to help repair your credit, and they charge like this monthly fee. And I want to share with you two things. First of all, bad credit costs too much money. Let me explain what I mean by that. When you have credit that is, when you're credit challenged, I should say, or have bad credit, let's be honest, it costs more money because to borrow money, we pay what's called interest. Interest is what we pay a creditor for loaning us money, whether it be on a house, a car, a boat, anything. And the lower your scores, the more of a risk you look like to creditors. So when they see that, they actually charge you a higher interest rate. This can mean thousands and thousands and thousands of more dollars out of your pocket. In addition to that, we kind of look for other resources for financing things like buy here, pay here car lots and rental places. I remember when I first moved to Atlanta and rented a VCR from one of the rent-to-own places, and I think it was like $20 a week. And I was, in my mind, I honestly thought I was only going to keep that VCR for a short period of time, but I actually ended up keeping it for a whole year till I paid it off, which was $800, I believe, and $80 when I finished paying for it. Not only did it break right after I finished paying for it, but you can buy brand new VCRs for less than $200 by that time. But that was the option that I had because I did not have good credit at that time. So what does that all mean? Well, a friend of mine introduced me to this credit coaching system, and I absolutely love this program. See, my husband and I already were on a plan and a mission to become completely debt-free with the exception of our mortgage by February of 2019, and we are well on our way. But this program is really helping to create more success in that plan. And what it does for you is it helps you improve your credit score and pay off and pay down debt. The great thing about the program, guys, it is absolutely free. F-R-E-E, free. I'm going to drop the link below. But let me just tell you that I am not the kind of person to sell a scam. Log into the system, look at it. You don't like it, you can log right back out and never use it again. What do you have to lose? Let me tell you what it offers you. 5 basic steps on how to set up your profile, get your free credit report, how to dispute or settle debt with creditors. It actually gives you the letters to send out and shows you a flow chart of how you get through the process of either getting something removed from your credit, a dispute done, or settle a debt to get it off of your credit. Nothing better that I've ever seen out there. There's no coach involved. There's no monthly fee involved. There's none of that. So this is my gift to you. If you want to use the program, that's great. There are some tutorials in there, some reading that you can do and how to follow the guidelines through the process. I am offering a workshop on June the 11th. If you sign up for the program and I see that you've signed up, I will send you a special invitation to come to that training. You can do it virtually or actually come out, have dinner with me, and actually bring your laptop, your tablet, your iPad, and actually start right there fixing and improving your own credit. So, guys, I'm really excited about it. It's working for me. Again, you have nothing to lose. You don't want to do it. You don't have to, but it's my offer to you. So make it a great day. Bye.